It's almost Christmas! Time to spoil yourself and your GoPro Hero 7 with some accessories. Bonjour my dear high-tech fans and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. If you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Céline. I'm a TV journalist for over 18 years now and I am passionate about new technologies. So if you like high-tech reviews, tutorials and sometimes vlogs, you should consider subscribing. The very good news with the GoPro Hero 7 Black is that it's compatible not only with the company's old mounts and accessories but also with third-party products. Meaning, if you have a GoPro like I do, you can use most of the previous device's accessories. Quick throwback to when I have purchased my very first GoPro 10 years ago. I can still use the same accessories than 10 years ago. That's excellent, right? But I'm not only sticking to my old mounts, I have also bought some new accessories for my GoPro Hero 7 and I have also received some products from Freewell company in exchange of my review. So let's see what you could add to your Christmas list. Let's talk about batteries. The GoPro Hero 7 should last in video mode at least 2 hours if you film in 1080p at 60 frames per second, meaning if you want to film in 4K or 2.7K at 60 frames per second, well, it won't last more than an hour. So you definitely need 1 or 2 extra batteries. I know there are very good third-party batteries out there, but I have bought an extra GoPro battery. Now that you have extra batteries, you need a charger that can charge 2 or 3 batteries in the same time. So here is Freewell Triple Trio Compact Charging Station Dock. It's compatible with GoPro Hero 7 Black, Hero 5 Black and Hero 6 Black. The positive side of this compact charging dock is that 1, it's compact, you can even use it as a storage so you won't lose your battery in your backpack. The lid snaps shut and stays shut, that's important to me anyway. 2, it provides faster charging to multiple batteries in the same time and saves precious time for outdoor filming. Well, yes, we don't want to wait till the batteries are fully loaded before heading outside and start filming. And 3, it uses C-type USB for fast charging, which is nice because the GoPro also uses a USB-C. So if you forget your charger cord, but you have your GoPro cord, you can always use the one you already have in your bag. Was I clear? Any USB-C cord will do. Voila. Oh, one more thing. It indicates very clearly when all 3 batteries are fully charged. You want to know what a ND filter is before jumping into the subject? I have made a video about ND filters and drones. Just click right here and come back right after. Freewell also sent me a 4-pack of these filters. The ND neutral density filters are designed to cut light from entering the lens, which helps to slow down the camera shutter speed of the GoPro to give the video a different feel, one closer to a natural video camera. Apart from this, the lens filter also helps to reduce the bright sunlight falling on the lens and spoiling the picture. And guess what? These filters are doing their job, but you need to know something. They are very fragile. No, I haven't broken any yet, but I feel I could by being just a little rough with them. So keep in mind that when you snap them on the GoPro, you need to take your time and don't be in a rush. You might by accident break them. Ce serait dommage. You just snap them on carefully and you are good to go. What else do I have for Santa Claus list? For $30 you have a Polarizer Filter from Freewell. What it's for? Well, mostly for preventing unwanted glare from spoiling the picture. This filter is designed to effectively reduce the brightness of natural reflective surfaces while filming outdoors. With this filter, When you'll film the sea, you'll see less reflection and you can see what's underneath the water without even diving into the water. Yes, you got it right. It attempts to block reflected light. Apart from this, the filter provides overall control over color and contrast for best quality and crystal clear images. This is GoPro's official mount. It's a 3-in-1 design. It can be used as a camera grip, an extension arm, or a tripod. The handle can be detached from the arm and used as a lightweight camera grip. The folding arm makes it easy to capture selfies without the mount appearing in the shot. What's the downside of it? Well, the plastic is very weak, and for that price, you would think it's not plastic. Talking about price, it's quite expensive. 70 euros, $69.99. Imagine I have bought this grip plus a battery and I'm already at 98 euros. The device itself is 429 euros, so at that pace, if I buy only GoPro products, I'm bankrupt. So, if you don't want to spend 17 euros on a product but still want to have a handy grip, there's Freewell GoPro pistol trigger adapter. This pack contains a trigger adapter, a carbon fiber grip, a wrench tool, a thumb knob, a storage case and a rope. First, it's made of carbon fiber and durable materials. Secondly, it's lightweight and I really have no problem lifting it all the time. I don't feel a weight and the grip feels good in my hand. And voila, I hope you have many ideas to spoil yourself this Christmas. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas. Just in case I don't post a video next Monday, well, it's Christmas and I'm hosting, so I'm not sure I'll have time for some editing. It's either cooking or editing. If you enjoy my company, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button just down en dessous, below. It helps a lot with the algorithm of YouTube, and what helps more, subscribe to my channel. I wish you a Merry Christmas, take care, and I will see you next Monday. Salut!